Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to create a functional swing trading scanner on Thinkorswim. This is going to be how you guys can find these opportunities in the market. In my last video, we explained how to have customized charts. This video is going to be how to find stocks and incorporate all of this with Thinkorswim. Now, Thinkorswim's amazing. They have a free scanner. It's awesome. Now, how do you do this? Okay, so all you guys have to do, all of these are going to be relatively the same, right? These three right here, because we want a stock that's pretty much over $1. We don't want any penny stocks or anything like that. We want stocks that are traded. We want stocks with some volume, so 500,000 and a minimum market cap of 500 million. All three of these are going to be the same. Then, as we scroll down here, we have an RSI scan. The RSI is the relative strength index. So this determines whether a stock's overbought or oversold. So you guys can either buy in when it's undervalued or short when it's pretty much overvalued. Okay. So then how to adjust that is just by clicking this, but we'll show you that here. So this is the overbought because it's greater than, but if we actually go and click our little thing here and load up our oversold one, it's going to change to less than. As we click scan, it's going to scan all the stocks in the market and find the ones that meet your criteria here. So now what we do is we go to charts and then we need to incorporate it off in this side here. So what you do is you actually want to click this button down here. It's add. You're going to want to click watch list and then it's going to pop up your pretty much most recent watch list that you've created. But since this is a scanner, we're going to actually have to find this. So what we do is we click this, we scroll down, and we want to find the RSI one. So it's right here. We'll click that, and then we will, in the meantime, load up the other one as that one gets loaded up. So we go here, whoops, and then we go down to oversold. So now what this does is it finds all of these stocks that are overbought or oversold. Now you can obviously adjust these scanning features. So if you want to make sure that there's more, there's less of these stocks that just are, super small cap, you can adjust all of these with the market cap or even the price depending. So then what you do is you actually just go through and you make sure that these are all on red because you want all these charts to connect to your scanner. So now when you guys click one, we'll actually go ahead and do this. So now as you guys click one, so if that's, say you said AR, this one right here. Okay, well, this one is overvalued. So there could be a possible short opportunity for the downside. But me being a long bias trader, I tend to use the RSI oversold a lot more than the overbought. So what I do is I go and I look for one that just kind of interest me. You can obviously go through them all. That's why I do like to adjust this, just because I don't like these super small cap stocks, just because there's a tendency to have so many of them. But we'll pop one up. Okay, so this one is a little bit oversold. We'll go ahead and go here. All right, we'll just continue to work our way through it and find stocks that are oversold. That's the beauty of it, is it's completely free. It's nothing like crazy. And you can obviously just go through them and adjust it. So if you want something that's going to be a little more, maybe, $1 billion market cap, you guys can add that in. And it's going to definitely dilute a lot of these smaller companies. All of that stuff I would recommend doing, but this is just a perfect way to get the ball rolling. And then eventually go through and you guys can change up, all of these to meet your criteria here. So you guys can see a lot of these are overvalued. So there is a possible short because there's resistance here at 21. Downside back down to 16. Setting stops rate above 21. Stuff like that works very, very well for this, and the RSI oversold, very similar thing. All you guys got to do is just continue to find. For some reason, it's not looking great for the oversold. But that's the beauty of it. You just got to continue to go through and find those opportunities in the market. So guys, that's pretty much on how I create a scanner to actively find stocks that meet my criteria out in the market. And obviously all of this is adjustable. So I would recommend leaving this last one the same and then adjusting these up here so you don't have those smaller cap companies. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.